Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I managed to secure a very nice trade on gold during the New York kill zone, and this is the trade actually. I managed to get that good entry and exit, and let me show you how I did that. So I started my day on the monthly time frame. As you can see, the previous month's candle closed bearish and with high volume. And how do I know it did had high volume? You can see the volume on the body are bigger than the wicks. So I used the candle to candle directional bias. So just put my fib right there, went on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame I saw that I'm going to expect a retracement on this supply zone here, that is inside 0.3 and 0.7. As you can see on the monthly, this month's candle opened and traded above and it never took out the low of last month, meaning that it is coming to print a week and then we go down. Okay, it is coming to rebalance and then we go down. Buyers must be given equal opportunity in the market. So knowing that, on the daily I went on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame I saw that the nearest area that we are having is this one. This was the last single area that we are having. Okay, so I went on the lower time frame during the kill zone. So on the kill zone we can see that, let me use M5. I want to follow what price has been doing from this area here, this single area. You can see that we had multiple rejections before breaking out, so that makes this level an impure support and resistance. After price bouncing from that impure support and resistance, we can see during the Asian kill zone. I was traded during the Asian kill zone, but I didn't manage to trade during the Asian kill zone because I overslept. So I woke up around 6 a.m. Price was around here, and after waking up at 6 a.m., because I was late, I couldn't chase price. So I left the Asian session. So you can see the liquidations that have been happening. This is an impure support and resistance. You can see that price came, bounced from that level. We had our first liquidation. Price during the Asian session, we can see that during the Asian session it gave us an entry and gave us also another re-entry right there. Also another re-entry right here. And on this setup you can see it was a type 3. It was a type 3C set. It was a type 3C setup because you can see that price went up, came, created liquidity, then came, mitigated 50%, then went for the external range liquidity. So during the New York session, when I executed this trade, I was looking at the liquidations, the way the liquidations have been happening. You can look at this structure. We have this structure right here. You can see that price came back, rebalanced at 50%, and also you had this liquidity right here. Swept that liquidity, then went up, and as you can see, we also had multiple rejections on this level, and that is where price managed to bounce from. After bouncing from this level, it left this structure. It left this structure. Left that structure. As you can see, this structure, the nature of breakout, it broke with one clear move, managed to retest, did not reach 50%, making this a liquidity that was supposed to be taken out. So during the New York session, you can see the New York session started at at 2 p.m, 14 hours. You can see that price came, managed to take that trade from there, and our TP was 3R. So 3R is my objective of the day, and as you can see, during the New York session, time has aligned, structures are liquidity based on structures also aligned, and liquidity based on time also aligned. So I reacted that way and managed to flip that account that I was trading. So if you find this video insightful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Before I go, I want to show you that trade. So this was the trade. As you can see, liquidity, type 1A plus setup, and this one was my execution, and I've set my positions right there. So if you find this video insightful, consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell on, so that when I'm trading live, you're going to get your notifications. And see you next time.